Hey everyone, it's me, Mr. Hands, and I hope you enjoyed our review of the Play-Doh digging rig with Chomper here as he built things with Bobby. That was an exciting review, and today I'm going to take it a step further and show you something cool that was on the box. Now, Chomper, he makes bricks and he makes drums to protect people from going in the construction area, but you at home can make something really cool. It's a Play-Doh jackhammer. It's on the bottom of the box and it'll show you step by step how to do it. And I'm going to show you step by step how to do it in this video. So follow along as we make a Play-Doh jackhammer. Here you go, our Play-Doh jackhammer. It's easy to make and lots of fun. And I hope you've enjoyed this video here on Toy Time TV. Be sure to subscribe and also give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Until next time, we'll see you here on Toy Time TV. Bye! Hi guys! You can watch more Toy Time videos by clicking the videos and also clicking the big subscribe button to subscribe to us here on Toy Time TV. Yeah!